Hello and welcome to Crypto Exposed. 39-month cycle says XRP price is poised for breakout to $1,000. Here's when. Wow. I'm sure there's some guys drooling right now hearing that kind of price. Okay, $1,000. I mean, that's very optimistic. It's very, very optimistic. But hey, if this is what the people are telling from the charts, let's get into what they've got to say, man. Because as I've always said, I keep repeating myself, but it's true. When you've got many people saying good things, to me, even if it's not this exact price, it could be higher, it could be lower, but to me, it says that it looks like XRP is due for good price action, right? I've heard many different analysts saying different price predictions for XRP coming short term, and they've all been positive. I've not seen anyone really saying it's going to go down in value. So for me, I'm thinking, okay, whether these prices are accurate or not, it's looking like it's going to do well. So for me, this is exciting news. And I'm not a chart analyst, so I don't pretend to sit here and say to you guys, yo, XRP is going to do this or it's going to do that, because I don't read charts or anything like that. So I don't know, right? These guys are reading charts and reading data to get these kind of predictions. So let's have a read into what this analyst is saying and see what he thinks, okay? But before I do start, guys, if you could subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate that, as it allows me to continue to give you guys this type of regular content and it supports the channel. So if you could subscribe, that would be much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, let's get into this. A crypto analyst has presented a 39-month analysis that could determine when XRP price will rally to a new all-time high. The analysis marks a return of this trend, which could see XRP rise as high as $1,000. The 39-month cycle. Pseudonymous crypto analyst Never Wishing on TradingView has presented a rather convincing 39-month cycle trend that often ends with XRP price seeing a significant rise. The last time this trend was completed was back in mid-2020, just before the 2020 to 2021 bull market began. When this trend was marked 3 years ago, it ended with the XRP price rallying from 17 cents in June to $2 in April 2021. Since then, another 39-month cycle began counting, and once again it has reached the point where a surge usually occurs. In the chart presented by Never Wishing, the expected price jump this time around will be less like the 2020 to 2021 trend and more like the 2017 to 2018 jump. In 2017, when the 39-month cycle jump took place, XRP went from 0.005 cents to $3.30 at its peak, meaning a 66,000% jump in price. However, the analyst expects even more explosive growth, with the XRP price going from around 53 cents to $1,000 by the time the rally is complete. This means more than a 188,000% rise from the current price levels. When will XRP reach $1,000? The previous 39-month cycle jumps outlined by the crypto analyst both hit their peak a little less than a year later. The 2017 to 2018 rally was 11 months and the 2020 to 2021 rally was 10 months, so it is expected that it will stick close to this time frame this time around. Never Wishing's chart shows the rally starting in November and hitting $2 in the next 4 months. From then on, there are multiple important price levels outlined, including $16 by the end of April 2024 and $118 by June 2024. Then, for the grand prize of $1,000, the crypto analyst sets a target date for December 2024, around 13 months from the rally's start. So, if this prediction does come to pass, the XRP price could be trading between $869 to $1,000 in little over a year. The 39-month cycle trend looks similar to the 4-year Bitcoin cycle. However, unlike Bitcoin, whose 4-year cycle is characterized by the infamous halving event, the XRP 39-month cycle does not have a significant event. Instead, it looks to just follow work mainly on a time frame basis. Nevertheless, some recent developments could lend credence to a bull rally, such as Ripple's multiple wins over the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) just this year alone. Additionally, Ripple has been expanding its footprint globally as it looks to take a big chunk of the payment sector for itself. Okay. Nice. So, I mean, it really does sound good, guys. It does. I just have to be realistic. 1,000 to me, that quick, sounds a bit excessive. I'm not going to lie. Now, if it could get into like double digits, maybe early 3 digits, okay. I'd kind of take that on board. 1,000 seems like quite a jump. But one thing I will always say with this, guys, whenever I'm talking, I'm not a chart analyst, right? So whenever I'm telling you this kind of stuff, I'm just giving you really my opinion from my experience being in the crypto market for a few years. I'm not a chart analyst or anything like that. So I can't give any kind of data as to why I think a price will go or not go to something, right? These are just my opinion. So while I might say $1,000 might be a little excessive to me, who knows? This guy's a chart analyst. He might be able to give a much better prediction than me because he's actually reading charts and reading data, right? I'm giving you my opinion from things that I've seen from being in bull markets and bear markets, right? I'm giving you my opinion on what I've seen and how I believe cryptos work, especially in bull markets, because I've said this numerous times, but when cryptos have the multiplier effect in bull rallies, it goes lower each time because more value is added to the coin. So it takes more value to keep moving it, right? The more value that goes in, the more value it takes to continue to keep making it rise. That's why with Bitcoin now, it's a lot harder for Bitcoin to drop significantly than it would an altcoin, right? So if Bitcoin drops a little bit, the whole altcoin market will look completely different. It will drop much more significantly, right? Because there's much less value in the altcoins than there is in Bitcoin, right? So in terms of that, because XRP has had a couple of bull runs where it's already had quite high multiplier effects, for it to achieve $1,000, it seems like it might be a little bit difficult. However, this is one thing that I have also mentioned as to why maybe it could be possible. I'll say this now. $1,000, I don't know, but this is why I think XRP could still have a great multiplier effect in the next bull run. XRP is the only cryptocurrency with legal clarity, okay? So it's in a very unique position as to what it's been in before, right? Because when you look at the crypto market now and you think about people who might want to get into crypto, if you start looking around and thinking, okay, what cryptos am I going to buy? Well, if you just do a bit of research, you'll see that there's a guy called Gary Gensler, who's part of the SEC, who's just out to absolutely stifle crypto as we know it. And he's just going around suing multiple crypto companies and their tokens, right? So if you're thinking, this Gary Gensler seems like he's just out to attack crypto, so I might hold a crypto token and then the company gets sued, which absolutely destroys its value of the token. Which coin can I go for that may be safe? You've got two options there. You've got Bitcoin and you've got XRP, right? So XRP may get a lot more market share than what it would have previously because it is the only cryptocurrency with legal clarity, right? Because if you're a potential buyer or investor in crypto, you're going to want something that's going to be safe, right? And Bitcoin and XRP are the two safe choices right now. And then let's not forget about the institutions that can come in now, the institutions that can work with Ripple and the partnerships that can be formed, right? So that would then be XRP being utilized as well. So that could also hugely impact its price. Do you see what I'm saying? So when you take all these things into account, XRP is in a position that it's never been in before. And the whole crypto market is in a different position because people can be scared now that their coin could get sued. Like we've seen Gary Gensler list coins where he's not sued them just yet. But for example, Cardano, right? He's mentioned that he believes Cardano is a security. Now, he hasn't sued anyone about that yet, but maybe that's a sign of things to come, right? Because he's clearly shown that he believes it's a security. So that could be on the hit list. So I do think in that sense, XRP has a chance to take up a lot more value than what it would have previously have taken. So who knows? Who knows? I mean, I hope this is true. Even though I may not think it's likely, I hope that is true. I'd love it to go even higher if possible. But, you know, for me, even if we're talking about like double digits, that would still be amazing, guys. If you guys are investing now and you're dollar cost averaging, and this isn't financial advice because I'm not in a position to tell you anything what to do. But if you guys are dollar cost averaging and you're just building up your bags and stuff like that, XRP set a price now where if it went to double digits, you can make a fortune. You really could. Like, you're in that position because XRP right now, like what, 50 cents, something like that kind of range, there's still plenty of upside potential. So if it went to double digits, you're still making an amazing amount of money, especially if you're continuing to build up your bags. So for me, even double digits, you know, triple digits, oh my God, like again, mind blown. You know, I'd be absolutely amazed if we can see triple digits in, you know, the next bull run or within the next year. I'd be absolutely amazed with that. But for me, even if I can get to double digits, to me, that's going to be incredible. And I'm sure it will be for a lot of you guys too. So I don't know if this is going to be true, but I hope so. I have my fingers crossed. But even if not, I just hope that we do get some good price action. Because if there's one thing I will say, us as XRP holders, we deserve it, man. Everything that we've been through, we deserve this so much. Like it is even now, like after having the whole legal clarity and seeing the price still go down, like we really deserve some kind of good price action, man. We've definitely been long overdue. But again, it just shows you the damage that they've done to XRP. It just shows you what SEC have done to XRP. They've just stifled innovation for like 3 years and just really blown our opportunity. I mean, they stopped us from thriving in a bull market, guys. You know, they suppressed the price during the bull market. They've really held us back. So fingers crossed we get ours, and we get ours real soon. Good luck to everybody. But what do you guys think? XRP going to $1,000. Do you think this is something that's possible? And if so, do you think this is something that's going to happen by December 2024? If so, why do you think it could happen? Or do you not really think this is something that's possible and you don't think it's going to reach anything near that price? And if not, why not? Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.